Rage Cage is a classic drinking game. To get started, arrange at least 10 drinking cups in a solid circle at the center of a table. Fill all the cups 1/3 full with beer, except the one in the middle, which should be completely full. If you don't like beer, you can use some other drink, but make sure the alcohol content isn't too high. Position 2 players at opposite sides of the table and have them count backwards from 3. Then, each grab a cup and drink it dry. Then, they set the cups down and try to bounce a ping pong ball off the table and into their empty cup. The first player to succeed passes the empty cup and ball to the next player to their left, who then tries to bounce the ball into the cup so they can pass it on. If a player is still trying to get their ball into a cup when another player makes a pass, that player has to stack the 2 empty cups together, pass them to the left, and drink from a new cup. The game continues until all the cups are empty.